Looking out across the nighttime, the city weeps a sleepless eye. Hear her voice shake my window, sweet seducing sights carry out into the nighttime. From Rosewood, hold me tonight. And if this town is just an apple, let me take a bite. If they say why, tell them that it's human nature. Why?